Hey y'all, it's Annie, and today I am trying the Kardashians' favorite Chinese chicken salad. The sad news finally broke that the show is coming to an end, but this salad will probably never die. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, on Keeping Up with Kardashians, the sisters love this one salad that they get from a place called Health Nut in Calabasas. Now y'all have seen me try Kylie Jenner's ramen noodle recipe. Everyone don't get offended. But this is fun because it is not specific to any one Kardashian. It is like a whole family brand. It's only like 5 ingredients that are easy to find in stores. So really doable. I'm gonna try it out today to see what all the hype's about and to see if you can really eat this salad for years and not get sick of it, as they have done. I did try my best to look like a Kardashian today.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
It's the hoops. I guess it takes a little bit more effort than that. I don't know how they look perfect all the time. So this salad has romaine at the base, which I have just washed and dried lovingly. Let's just chop this up finely. I wish I could give you exact measurements, but I am really just going off of the photos here. Online, they don't really have the exact recipe. So I'd say this is about 1.5 cups of lettuce. All right, we're adding in about 1 cup of chicken here. Next up, about 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. Yes, I took a shortcut and I did not shred these myself. Next up, pickled ginger. So I love this ingredient. It's one of my favorite things to find on a sushi board. And it's not as difficult to find in the supermarket as you would think. Try looking at your grocery store's sushi station to find it. But oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. I love it. From the photos, it looks like it's kind of julienned, so that's what I'm gonna try and do here. Final touch. Easiest part of this whole thing. Chow mein noodles. They're gonna add so much texture. I think these are probably essential. I mean, who doesn't love these things? I think this looks dang good. All I need now is the dressing. Okay, so Health Nut is actually known for their dressings, and they do sell them online. The dressing that comes with this signature Chinese chicken salad is a sesame dressing. Now, if you look in the stores, like I did, for sesame dressing, you might find something like this. It's darker in color and a little bit looser, but that is not what the one looks like online. So instead of ordering it, like I knew I would never do in real life, I just decided to go to Whole Foods and find one that looked the most similar. So this is what I found. It's lighter in color and it's a creamy sesame dressing. All right, the moment we've been waiting for, the signature shake. Do about 2 tablespoons, lid on, and we shake. Reminds me of the butter all over again. It's a little bit uglier this time. Ta-da! That really is an effective method. If you want to fully coat that salad, just shake the snot out of it. Now just throw me into a scene sitting around with Courtney and Kim and Chris. Everyone's favorite salad. I mean, it's not bad. The crunch from the noodles is really nice. Big fan of the pickled ginger. Don't skip that part. Maybe they were onto something. I am feeling bougie, feeling fancy, and feeling pretty healthy. This is a relatively healthy meal. If it's good enough for the Kardashians, it's good enough for me. Oh gosh, I hate myself for saying that. I want to hear what y'all think about this salad. If you think it's really worthy of the Kardashian name, and if you'd ever try it for yourself. I did, and I'm giving it a thumbs up. So can confirm the salad is tasty, but we're not finished yet. Because to really experience the full Kardashian order from Health Nut, we have to add their signature drink, a Mango Greentini.
I had lunch.
Okay, Mango Greentini, let's give it a whirl. Okay, so all I know about this Mango Greentini is that it is an iced green tea sweetened with mango and just a little bit of honey. That's about it. I have no measurements here, so I'm really just winging it. Oh, and it is not alcoholic, despite the teeny in the name. So I've got 1 cup of crushed ice here. I'll pour my brewed green tea over top. A splash of mango juice and a little stir of honey. Honey doesn't really mix well with cold drinks, so this wasn't probably the best idea. Greentini. Let's give it a try. Delicious. Good. It tastes a little bit tropical, sweet, so you don't have too much of that like grass clippings taste that I usually get from green tea. I wish I knew about this beginning of summer. This is a great summer drink. Here is my completed Kardashian meal. It is fresh, it is light. This video should be called How to Feel Like a Kardashian on a Budget. Well, there you have probably the only salad recipe you'll ever see me try. Unless you have other suggestions, which I would love to hear in the comments below. Otherwise, please check us out on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed to our pages and follow us on Instagram for more content that we're trying out in the kitchen. ABCDEFG. I have to go. So maybe try your little, can't open a dang thing. Okay. Hope y'all like to see me struggle.